Welcome to Golden Bolden Life. Today we're headed to Disney's Blizzard Beach, ready for sunshine, splashes, and a whole lot of laughter. The moment we pulled up, we could already feel the energy, music playing, towels in hand, and that we're really here. Excitement buzzing through all of us. First stop, the slides. One by one, we climbed those steps, hyped each other up, and then swish, down we went, screaming, laughing, and popping out at the bottom with the biggest smiles. Then we made our way to the wave pool, floating side by side while the waves rolled in. We held on, bounced together, and laughed every time someone got a surprise splash or tried to act cool and totally failed. In between the thrills, we slowed it down. We found a shady spot, stretched out, shared snacks, and just soaked in the simple joy of being together. Wet hair, warm sun, and happy hearts. Before we knew it, the day was winding down, and we were already talking about our favorite moments like we didn't want them to end. And that's the very best part. Days like this remind us that wherever we go, we're making memories as a family, one splash at a time. The only question is, are you ready to do this? I know we are. Let's go! I guess we're gonna get on the lazy river. Just chilling. Going down the lazy river. Get out, yeah. Here comes some more waterfall. I gotta position myself right in the middle, because last time I got soaked. I'm gonna maneuver around it. Well, it depends on the current, so we'll see what happens. Woo! We definitely had a very good time Blizzard Beach is fun. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and God bless.